Hello there. Are you a dentist, a coach, a real estate agent, e-commerce shop owner, or any business owner looking to grow your business? I am Tauseef, Shah, a digital marketing expert and CEO at Softcrust Digital Marketing Agency, and I am here to help you unlock the full potential of your digital marketing. Whether you are aiming to attract more quality leads, boost your sales, or establish a strong brand identity, digital marketing is the key to your success. But if you are confused about where to start or feel stuck at a point where you are not seeing the desired results, I can guide you. I specialize in helping businesses like yours leverage powerful digital marketing strategies from SEO and social media to sales funnel, email marketing, automation, and content marketing. We have the tools and expertise to transform your online presence. For example, our client fashionista boutique saw a 70% increase in online sale within 6 months, while the green tech solution doubled their website traffic and increased sale by 50% in just 3 months. These are the kinds of results you can achieve with a strategic approach. Did you know that businesses using digital marketing see an average revenue growth of 2.8% higher than those who don't? And with 80% of consumers researching online before making a purchase, having a robust digital presence is more crucial than ever. I am offering a free consultation to help you navigate the digital landscape. We will review your current online presence, we will identify the opportunities for growth, and provide you with a customized strategy tailored to your business goal. And as a bonus, you will receive our exclusive 10-page ebook on digital marketing benefits packed with actionable tips and insights. Visit our website now to book your free consultation and start your journey to digital success. Let's make your business your next success story. See you soon.